Are you a fan of horror shows? Well, my family is. Particularly my younger daughter, Natasha, and myself. So when she told me that there was a haunted horror night at Universal Studios, I was all in. We had to go. Despite growing up in SoCal and going to the amusement parks all the time, it had somehow escaped my knowledge that Universal Studios put on a haunted horror night every year. Well, we ended that by going this year, and it was awesome. Now, in this video, I'm gonna break down some of the pragmatic aspects of prepping for the trip because it's kind of a lot, but I'll also share some of the exciting moments that I had while I was at the park. Or at the very least, this is for future Garland, so that past Garland, which is present Garland right now, can tell future Garland how to plan this trip exactly so it's another epic night. Yeah, you got that right. So I was quickly overwhelmed in the tons of overlapping ticket offerings. But really, there are only two factors to consider: price and crowds. If you want to see everything, the only ticket to buy is the RIP tour. It comes with so many benefits that the price is a steal. The crowds for the average ticket will have you in a line 1 to 3 hours per haunted house. So it would take several days just to see it all. Where the RIP, you see everything in 5.5 hours, 0 lines. You can get multiple night passes, but the price of the trip would easily exceed a one-night RIP pass that allows you to see everything in one night. Now, Universal Studios does variable pricing, so every day will cost different prices. I bought my RIP ticket for $379 a few months prior. But now the same tickets cost up to $509, so make sure you plan ahead. And I found the $10 early access to be an immense value. You get in the park at 5:30, basically 2 hours early, coupled with the RIP pass, and I was able to ride all the rides in the park several times over in just those 2 hours. Then I was able to start my RIP tour at 7:45. Now, I didn't know what to expect, as this was my first Halloween horror night, but everything worked out perfect. The tour starts with a walk to the dinner at the Moulin Rouge, which was the perfect time for us. And thankfully, all the food was marked for allergies. One of the chefs even made an off-menu item for my daughter who can't have gluten. We had an absolute blast.
Where are we headed, Tasha?
We are headed to Jurassic World ride. The ride's closed.
So take a moment and delight in the calm tranquility of downward height. When you push back up.
You are clear for entry.
All folks in safe zone.
Much less in combat conditions.
Mission to go.
That's so cool.
Chucky's new barbecue stand. I'm 85% certain it's not people. 85%.
They came out of nowhere. I didn't see him.
I did not see that one.
They came out of
Focus on the one on the
nowhere.
left. Oh my gosh. 40.
Okay.
They're everywhere. Holy crap.
Oh, Lordy.
Here comes Steve down this way.
I've heard that, like, if they make you spill your drink,
We're gonna hijack it. Let's take it anyway. Alright, St. Patrick and Chris, RIPs, come on up. St. Patrick and Chris, everyone sit together if you can. It's gonna be a pretty cool trial. Also, all of this Charlie, feel free to leave your stuff if you wish. Design their cars and put them together, and you will be doing a whole lot of this. Godfrey Gryffindor, Helga Hufflepuff, Rowena Ravenclaw, and Salazar Slytherin.
The smoking, drinking, eating.
RIPs, gather up. RIPs, gather up. Right over here. RIPs, right over here. Make sure I have everybody. RIPs over here.
Everyone, secure the perimeter and lock that gate. Jackie, keep those doors shut. They're trying to separate us. Form up on my position. Fight back. Alex, get up to your feet. Alex, get out of there. He's aiming at you.
This is what victory tastes like!
Wake up. It's time to take a stand.
Okay, we need to lighten the mood.
What is that?
It's a joke book. No pun intended, volume 2 by Bill Livingston. What did the mermaid wear to her math class?
Please don't.
An algae bra. Get it? Algae bra?
Damn hunters. Come on. Why did you keep moving? I'm on my way up to you.
Don't die on me! Joel! Joel! Okay?
Stay out there. I'm on my way up to you.
So what's my final take? Well, initially I got the RIP tour because I'd never been there before. So I didn't know what I was gonna miss if I didn't have an all-inclusive package. And these days I'm able to afford this because I don't go on vacation all that often. So I just kind of saved up for it. Now, my much younger self probably would have just got the $77, general admission ticket and just gone to the couple of haunted houses that I really wanted to see. Like the Chucky one, The Last of Us, and if I could squeeze into something else, that would have been good enough. But after being there, there's no other way than doing the RIP tour. If you're into horror kind of things and haunted mansions, save up the money, get the RIP tour, it's the best deal ever. 5.5 hours, you see everything. Multiple times over. And for me and my daughter, it was a perfect night. And I also want to give a huge shout out to Patrick. He was an awesome RIP tour guide. It was only by coincidence that we got him because literally like 2 hours prior going to the park, we were watching TikTok on RIP tours and somebody else gave a shout out about how awesome Patrick is. Well, they were right. He is awesome. And you know you got the same Patrick if he looks like Ron Howard, or as some of us older people know, Richie Cunningham from Happy Days. So thank you, Patrick, for that awesome, memorable evening. And I will definitely be going next year, and I hope to see you there too.